The Pacific Northwest is home not just to some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world, it is also home to one of the world's leading manufacturers of polysilicon and silane gas. From here at our 442-acre plant in Moses Lake, Washington, and from our 240-acre facility in Butte, Montana, REC Silicon fuels the growth of the REC Group. REC Silicon is the world's leading manufacturer of polycrystalline silicon for solar cells and of monosilane for electronics, flat panel displays, and increasingly for the solar industries. Everything we do here at REC Silicon is designed to produce these highly refined materials in a consistent, cost-efficient, and above all, safe manner. In this video, we want to show you a little more about why and how our unique processes work. We believe that our ultra-pure product offerings and our customer-driven philosophy can help you enhance and expand your business. It's why at REC we say, what's next? More. Silicon is the main ingredient of common sand. Yet the successful journey from sand to solar cells and other end products requires the highest levels of scientific understanding and manufacturing expertise. In both silicon gases production and polysilicon production, we are always striving to supply products in a cost-effective manner for the solar, flat panel display, and semiconductor industries. It all begins with silane. It makes us unique. It is our DNA. The process starts with metallurgical-grade silicon that is already about 98% pure. The metallurgical-grade silicon is purified into silane gas by means of several distillation processes. REC Silicon's unique and proprietary production technology based on monosilane gas is an environmentally sound process with hardly any byproducts or bothersome materials. Some of the gas is sold to manufacturers of solar cells, flat panel displays, and electronics. Most of the silane gas is utilized by REC Silicon to make silicon. REC uses silane gas to make ultra-high purity polysilicon. Our production processes are unique in the industry and enable us to produce the highest quality polysilicon in the world. We utilize a range of technologies and processes to produce a variety of polysilicon products and form factors. At REC's new state-of-the-art plant in Moses Lake, Washington, we use the latest fluid bed reactor technology to produce up to 8,500 metric tons of granular polysilicon with unparalleled efficiency and low cost. Inside our fluid bed reactors, silane gas is thermally decomposed onto polysilicon seed crystals to grow uniform beads of polysilicon for use by the customer. Excess silane and hydrogen gas is exhausted from the reactor and reused in a closed-loop system. REC's FBR granular polysilicon is superior to other polysilicon form factors. It's packaged in flexible intermediate bulk containers. FIBCs provide for maximum shipping and production handling efficiency. Because our granular polysilicon is flowable, it's ideal for process automation like crucible loading and recharge. Its excellent physical properties result in smooth, even melting in the crucible and predictable process results. Optimized process control, automation, and logistics result in the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. At our world-class plants in Moses Lake, Washington, and Butte, Montana, REC has the capacity to produce 7,000 metric tons of polysilicon from Siemens reactors each year. Inside our Siemens reactors, silane gas is thermally decomposed onto filaments to grow polysilicon rods. Rods can be used as is or can be converted to other forms such as chunks or chips. We are the world's leading supplier of polysilicon to the solar industry, producing enough polysilicon each year to put a solar array on 300,000 homes. Our industry-leading expertise in storing, handling, and shipping lets us deliver silane and other silicon gases in a variety of packages from standard cylinders to ISO module containers. Indeed, we own and operate hundreds of ISO module containers and have shipped thousands of metric tons of silane. REC Silicon Silane makes the solar industry's lowest cost polysilicon, the essential component of the REC Group's solar wafers and cells. At the present, REC Silicon is in fact the only manufacturer to produce rod and chunk polysilicon from silane gas. Using a proprietary version of the Siemens process, this transformation from gas to crystal takes place under carefully controlled conditions. Specialized filaments called slim rods are grown in-house for use in the reactors. These filaments provide the core around which the polysilicon rods will grow. We utilize accepted and advanced techniques for the characterization of the material. We use depositional layer analysis, cryo-FTIR, and cryo-PL spectroscopy. These techniques are utilized to measure donor and acceptor impurities at the parts per trillion level. Metallic impurities and also carbon and oxygen in the silicon are measured in the parts per billion level. All of these impurities may impair solar cell performance. The result? Polysilicon that can produce the highest efficiency solar cells with our high-quality production methods and focused product offerings. REC Silicon's exceptionally low-cost polysilicon makes it ideal for the rapidly expanding photovoltaic industry. With current technology, we have one grade of polysilicon product used in both solar and semiconductor applications. Polysilicon is produced from various types and generations of Siemens reactors in Moses Lake and in Butte. Traditional Siemens technology consumes a lot of power. Our new technologies use less. REC Silicon's new fluid bed technology is an example of how we have continued to invest in the most advanced silicon manufacturing techniques. In the reactor, silane gas is deposited on particles, which provide a surface area for deposition that can be made more than 100 times larger. Exhausted hydrogen and unreacted silane retained through the closed-loop process are recycled. The solar cells made from 1 year of polysilicon production will recoup the electricity used in the polysilicon plant approximately 5 times each year the cells are in operation, or more than 100 times over the lifetime of the cell. This proprietary technology results in reduced energy consumption and less cost. Throughout all of our processes, safety is always our top concern. These processes involve high temperatures and volatile chemicals. On the matter of safety, financial or operational compromise is not acceptable. We mitigate risks in a variety of ways, including a specialized emergency response team trained specifically for the hazards of our facility, our detailed process hazard analysis program, and our robust mechanical integrity program, which includes ongoing inspection of miles of piping and numerous vessels on a continuous basis. We have a fully integrated behavioral safety training process where employees proactively identify at-risk behaviors in the workplace. We also have licensed on-site medical personnel at both facilities. Both our Butte and our Moses Lake facilities are situated well away from populated areas. We utilize multiple non-destructive examination techniques to optimize the safety and reliability of our operating systems. Thermography, vibration analysis, and ultrasonic thickness testing, or UTT, are all used. Utilizing UTT alone, REC Silicon employees have taken more than 95,000 individual readings to ensure adequate wall thickness of our piping and vessels. We hope this brief presentation makes it clear that REC Silicon is making the investments and building the capacity to continue supplying silicon materials of the highest quality and lowest cost to the solar and semiconductor industries for the foreseeable future. REC Silicon. What's next? More.